We are outside Duna Library in Grahamstown in the Eastern Cape. We're going to be talking to Malwande Norjti, who's a reading club leader of one of the Nal'ibali Reading Clubs that we have in Grahamstown. Sakubona bhuti kunjani?
Siyaphila bhuti unjani ku?
Siphila nathi akhondo. Ndicela ubaxelele ba ngubani igama lakho, wenza ntoni?
Umla igama lami Malwande Norjti. I live in Grahamstown. I work here at the library. I'm the leader of a reading club called Ikamvelihle.
Ikamvelihle, where does the name come from?
Well, the name actually was discussed during our first session last year in 2013, because we came up with 3 different names. So we all suggested that no, that Kamvelihle was the best name, because why Kamvelihle in English is a bright future. So basically, I want them to have a bright future with literacy. Yes.